Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp medias. So when you open WhatsApp, there's no direct way of doing this. You won't be able to recover deleted WhatsApp messages or medias when deleted. So you need to use a third-party application. Now go to your app store on your device, and in the search section, you want to search for the deleted message WhatsApp or recover deleted WhatsApp messages. You find several options. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Recover Deleted Messages 2024. Open and install the application on your device. Once the app is installed, tap on Open to open the app. Read through their terms and conditions and tap to accept. Select your language and tap on the check mark at the top right corner. Tap on Got It. Make sure that WhatsApp is ticked and then tap on Next. You need to give some permissions, which include storage permission and notification reader. Tap on storage permission and tap on Allow. Tap on notification reader and toggle on in this section. Tap on Allow and go back to the app. You should get some notification which shows you that it's watching for new status. Tap on Got It and tap on Got It. When someone sends you a media on WhatsApp, such as image, videos or GIF, and then they proceed to deleting the medias from everyone, on your WhatsApp you will see that this message was deleted. You also get a notification from the Recover Deleted Messages app. Now when you go back to the app, you'll be able to see the media that was sent when you open your chat. You can tap on it to download the media, and if you want to view all your medias in one place, tap on deleted medias and you'll be able to see all the files. So thank you for watching this video on how to recover deleted WhatsApp medias, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.